Hi and welcome once again to Accountancy Templates, and today we're going to look at the expenses form, and it's going to be part 2. We're going to have a look at the motor expenses sheet. Here we are. We saw this last time, the general expenses claim form, and this time click on the motor tab and up will come the motor sheet. A lot of the fields here are brought from the motor sheet, with the exception of one, which is the registration number, and you would have listed the car registrations perhaps in the lists box, which is you can get access to on the paid for version. So here we are putting in some business mileage. And we can use the division, as could be jobs, to allocate the amount to. So there we go, division 4, and the mileage is, we're going to put in there 50, and you see that 50 totals to the bottom. Let's put in another bit of mileage, this time it's a job or division 3, and this time we're putting 75, and that's totaled that up there. You can put more in, obviously. Let's look at the rates now. These are the current UK rates at the time of this recording for mileage claims. Anything under 10,000 is 45p per mile, over 10,000 25 pence per mile. And also there's a fuel element in that of 18p. Current mileage rate is 45p because we're currently under 10,000 for the periods that we've claimed for this year. So there's our mileage put in. You note down here the VAT, the figures, is calculated at 18 pence per mile. It's the VAT rate on the 18 pence which goes in here. That's divided into those divisions, and there's a total up there for excluding VAT. But those totals there get carried forward into the front sheet. The general expenses, there's a line there which is already allocated to motor expenses and added in to the total. So there you have what's happening on the motor expenses. Total is on the analysis sheet. Just wanted to show you if you've got something which is non-VATable, rail fares, for example, going to travel subsistence, so there's no VAT on that. You put those in via that shaded yellow sign, and the totals are there. So you finish your expenses for this much, you've saved them, and what you want to do now is to clear this lot for the following month. So we've got a little macro button here, and we'll click that, and most of the data that you've input is taken out, except for several fields which you've left in. So you can still use this again, your employee number 4, and the months, etc. run through. Notice, remember, we had 800 for the total of the previous month, which has now been put into the brought forward figure. So there we are, that's it. Get a copy from our website, have a play, let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching once again, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye.